So, good day, Mom. Good day, everyone. I am John Carlo Bosalanan Coleco from BSN 1 Section Onyx. So, now I am about to present or show my skills or return demonstration about the using SPSS or IBM SPSS statistics data app. So first, I will kind present my collected data or raw data that I have gathered in regards to goal number 2, which is zero hunger. So here, presented in the screen is my choice of topic or data. So number of malnourished children aged 5 years old and below of municipality of Danao. So I have gathered all the numbers of malnourished children 5 years old and below. So from each and every barangay in our municipality. So we have here 17 barangays, namely Cabatuan has 14, Cantubod has 8, Carbon has 3, Concepcion has 12, Daguhi has 5, Hibali has 7, Magtangtang has 15, Nahod 10, Poblacion 16, Remedios 18, San Carlos 11, San Miguel 12, Santa Fe 4, Santo Niño 7, Tabuk 23, Taming 6, and Villa Anunciado 7. So I have already computed the measures of central tendency, measures of position, and measures of variability. So I have here the mean, which is 10.47, median of 10, mode of 7, and the lower quartile or the Q1, which is 4.5 value, which is equivalent to 6.5, upper quartile or the Q3 equal to 14.5, 80th percentile, which is 15, 10th percentile, which is 4, range of 20, and here's my computation of variance and standard deviation of 5.43. So I am now using SPSS to check whether my computations are correct. So I will input my data, raw data manually. So first I have 14. Next is, by the way, I will change something to my variable. I will change it to 0 decimal. So I have here 14, then I have 8, then 3, 12, 5, 5, 7, 15, 10, 16, 18, 11, 12, 4, 7, 23, 6, and 7. So here's my raw data. So first things first is to click analyze and then go to descriptive statistics and choose frequencies. So and then transpose these variables into the other side and then choose statistics. So the first thing or the things that required or I need to check includes the measure of central tendency, which includes the median, let's check, mean, median, and the mode. And then I also need the quartiles and the percentiles, which is, so let's remove this first because the 10th and 80th percentile. So that's it. And then we add standard deviation, and I will also include variance, for it is also important and then the range. So here is my needed kind of computation or checking the mean, median, and mode for central tendency, the quartiles and the percentiles for measure of position, and then the standard deviation and the range for um, um, variability. And then continue, and then okay. So here we can see that the mean is 10.47, which is, let's check. Mm, Here, mean is 10.47, median is 10, and mode is 7. Then there, and then we have 10 and 7, which is correct. And then there, and then lower quartile, which is 25% or 6.5 here, correct. Upper quartile or the 75th percent, which is correct, 14.5. And then the 80th percentile, which is 15.4 or 15, which is around of that. And then 10th percentile, which is 3.8 or 4. And then the range of 20 here, correct. And the standard deviation and the variance, which is standard deviation, or the variance first, which is 29.514 or 515 shown here, which is correct also. And then finally is the standard deviation, which is 5.43, and then 5.43 here. So so far so good, all my computations were correct, and that's all. That ends my presentation and video about my return demonstration about how to use SPSS for checking and correcting my computations regarding in these particular topics, which is measures of central tendency, measures of position, and measures of variability. That's all. Thank you.